Welcome to my review of GanttPRO, one of the leading Gantt chart tools for project management. If you're looking for a way to streamline project planning and keep track of tasks, GanttPRO could be a great option for you. I've spent some time using this platform, and in this video, I'll walk you through its features and how it can help you manage projects more effectively. GanttPRO is primarily known for its visually appealing Gantt chart interface, which is designed to help project managers visualize timelines and dependencies between tasks. When you first log in, you'll notice how clean and intuitive the dashboard is. The layout is straightforward, and everything you need is accessible from the main screen. The first thing that stands out is the ease of creating a new project. You simply enter a project name, and you're ready to start adding tasks. You can easily drag and drop tasks into the timeline, adjust deadlines, and set dependencies. The platform allows you to quickly assign team members to tasks, making it perfect for collaborative projects. As you start filling in your project, you'll notice GanttPRO offers a range of views. The Gantt chart is the default, but you can also switch to a list view or a calendar view. The ability to switch between these views is helpful, especially if you want a more detailed breakdown of tasks or need to see deadlines from a different perspective. In addition to the basic features, GanttPRO also provides advanced tools like task dependencies, milestones, and resource management. You can create tasks that rely on others being completed first, which ensures your project progresses in the right order. Milestones help you track key achievements, and resource management ensures that tasks are distributed effectively among team members. Another key feature of GanttPRO is its team collaboration tools. You can comment on tasks, upload files, and share your project with others. These features make it easy to keep everyone on the same page, whether you're working with a small team or managing a large group. The software also includes a time tracking tool, which allows you to keep track of how much time is spent on each task. This can be especially useful for teams that need to stay on top of deadlines, or for freelancers working on multiple projects at once. Many useful links can be found in the description below. If you're looking for additional resources or want to explore more options, be sure to check out the links after watching this video. To wrap up, GanttPRO is a powerful project management tool that can make your life easier if you're working with complex projects. The combination of its intuitive interface, collaboration tools, and advanced features make it a solid choice for teams and individuals looking to stay organized and meet deadlines. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tutorials on project management tools.